Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be doing something interesting. As a virtual assistant, I can relate to some people's situation where they are either 9 to 5 hours or they don't have the time to carry their laptops around to do administrative tasks and all. I can relate. So that is why I'll be sharing 5 niches you can start with your phone, because that is what I do. Not all of them do, but these are the things that you can do or niches you can do with your phone. My name is Susan and I am your online community manager, and all I do here is share strategies on how to win together. So you need to hit the subscribe button and stay with me on this journey. Without talking much, let's go. So the number 1 niche I will be recommending is social media management. Yes, I know you've heard that 1,000,001 times and you want to really understand how this works. You know, the world is changing and every business owner is looking forward to building an online presence, and they'll be needing people who are specialized in doing that. And for my best of knowledge, I've come to the realization that that particular niche cannot be oversaturated. It's going to come in handy anytime, anywhere, because business owners are rising every day. So you should consider looking into it. What I would do for us at the end of this video is to put out a list of YouTubers you can learn any of these niches from. Trust me, they are very good at it and you should not bother. Don't be afraid. If you're starting for the first time, they will make it very, very, very easy for you. Don't mind me. The next niche is customer support specialist. That is where I come in. I am a customer support specialist because I render the services to some brands. You know, people are busy these days doing other things, so I make their work very easy. I respond to customers on their behalf, handle complaints, manage feedbacks, and just make the work very easy for them. Anywhere I am, even while I'm in the office, I do that. When I see anything, I respond to them immediately. Very easy to do, and I get paid for it. So let's go to the third one, which is community management, which is where I come in. So this is what I do. I approve posts. I also moderate discussions going on in the group and engage people. Make sure to keep the page lively. So have you ever tried to join a group on Facebook and they write up like that admin will let you in, blah blah blah, you know, those things? Yeah, that is the work we do. So we get to look at your page and all that to see if you're not a robot before letting you in. So that is what I do basically. If you have not seen how to manage your online community video, you can check it above. Now the fourth niche you can go into is email management. As simple as it sounds, that is how simple it is for real. You can manage people's email with your phone. You can just edit. If you cannot do it with a Gmail app, for instance, you can use the web version on your Chrome browser and just manage people's email. You can just create label, you can archive a lot of emails and delete some and all, you know, other stuff. If you're familiar, if you are not familiar, you can check out my description box. Like I said before, we're listing out where you can learn these skills for free on YouTube. Yeah, so now the last one I'll be talking about, the fifth one, is content repurposing experts. Now, who is a content repurposing expert? That is someone who turns likes of YouTube videos into reels or TikTok. You know, most of these business owners who are on YouTube or who started out on YouTube want to also expand into TikTok and likes of Instagram and Facebook. So you can help them edit some of their YouTube videos and post them on TikTok and as reels, and that will drive traffic to their YouTube videos. You know how that works, so right? With these 5 niches I have mentioned, I hope I have not been able to confuse you, but to convince you that you can actually use your phone as a virtual assistant from anywhere in the world, because it works for me. And out of these 5 I mentioned, I'm already doing 3 out of it. I think I have tried. So you'll be telling me which one you'll be trying out in the comment section. I really like to hear from you. And also, if you have not been watching my videos, you should watch them because I focus on sharing strategies. Also, I've shared 2 videos on how to use some strategies for your business that will make you stand out. So make sure to check them out. Also, thank you for watching this particular video this far. I'm not taking your patience for granted. Have a great time. Ciao.